Okay, so I am doing an unboxing. I ordered the Butter and Permission to Dance CD, as well as the TXT newest album, Freeze chapter. So Chaos Freeze chapter. So I'm kind of excited because first of all, this is my first TXT album. I really just love this album, so I figured I wanted to keep it because I just don't want to stream it, and the album is just so great. And of course BTS, because they're my favorite, you know. So I am going to do my first unboxing video here for you guys. Let's take a look. They gave me I ordered these on Amazon, and this is, you know, that there's two albums. Oh man, look at that. It's awesome. That's so bad. They just kind of dropped it in my mailbox, so it's dented already. So you know that there is a Peaches and Cream edition, and I have gotten I believe this is the Peaches. I saw it on here somewhere. So I think I have the Peaches edition. So let's take a look. How does this work? Does it go? Oh, there it is. So the box flips up. Oh, so it is the Peaches edition. Okay. And this actually comes with, all right, very cool. So all of that, you've got your CD at the bottom, per usual. And on there, you've got Butter, Permission to Dance, the instrumentals. I've got my CDs. My husband's like, why are you buying CDs? Who listens to CDs nowadays? But obviously, I stream everything. But here's the photo book that comes with it. And we got some awesome photos of the boys. So fun, lighthearted, bright, love the colors. So there's the photo book. Put that back in there. And of course, you get a poster. It's another poster to add to my collection for my office, where I collect all my BTS posters. So this version I have is them on the beach. Butter. So we'll put that. And we have, I'm guessing this is a photo stand for, if I put it together, it'd be a photo stand for the album. It's a tent. It's a photo tent. So if I can't put it on my wall in my office, it's gonna go on my desk, as well as a photo card. And I got RM bias wrecker, and of course a message from Jungkook. So on one side are photos, and on the other side is a message from JK. Awesome. So we also have the lyrics to Butter, if you're looking for lyrics for Butter, as well as Permission to Dance. And we get some really cool stickers. Oh, you know that's gonna go somewhere in my house. Okay. So let's move on to put them all back in there. It's not in the same order that they came out, but it's gonna go back in there, and it's gonna get added onto my collection. Let's take a look at what the TXT album actually comes with. Tearing into this real quick. And now TXT has grown so much as artists just in the past couple years alone. I watched them as they were going through their debut, and just that first year has been incredible in my opinion. Their debut song Cat Dog, I thought it was really cute, but as they have been progressing, as their careers have been taken off, they have shown so much growth overall. So let's take a look. So we have, it's in a plastic case as well. So it's got its own sleeve. So you've got Freeze, the Chaos chapter, and I don't know which version this one is because there are 3 versions of the album. So let's take a look. Open it carefully so I don't mess up with everything. So inside, oh, got tons of stuff. Let's take a look here. First thing, I've already broken off one of the corners, one of the flaps. So on one side, you get a photo card, a huge photo card. So I got Taehyung. Put that back in. And then of course, let's take a look. We have, their fashion sense is just so much more mature also. It's like you can see their individual tastes and how each of them is changing. And it's just the style. It's just, they're not the boys anymore, you know? So you can tell how much they've grown. The Chaos chapter, here's the lyric book for each of their songs. So you've got Anti-Romantic is such a great song. And notice, it's kind of like a film. So each page that you actually go through is different. So you've got actual paper, and then there's a film. So you can see right through each one of them. That is awesome. It's probably one of my favorite songs. These 2 songs. Track 2 and track 3. Magic, so fun. And just watching their choreo is amazing. So we have Ice Cream. And you also have What If I Had Been That Puma. Kind of throws back to one of their earlier songs from the series. You've got No Rules and Dear Sputnik. So, Frost. But yeah, so lyric book with everything that you've got. Pretty cool. Put that back in as we go. Let's see. We also have stickers. I love stickers. Yes, I'm an adult and I love stickers, and any of my kids can tell you, any of my students can tell you that I love stickers, and my husband can tell you that I love stickers. I put stickers pretty much on everything. So I brand everything, let everybody know it's mine. And then the actual CD comes in a little CD sleeve, and the CD has the boys on there. Awesome. We have, what is this? Oh, it's a mini photo book. Again, with TXT. It's a mini photo book of the boys. Their range is amazing. And last one. It's a big photo book with more photo cards. So you have the small photo book, the tiny photo book, and their thanks from each of them. But of all of them, I think the one that has evolved so much is Hyunin Kai. Because look at him, he doesn't look like a baby anymore. Ooh, did not know that. Because you know it. And then of course, the photo cards that popped out. I got Bongyu, he's kind of like my bias, with and Maknae, with the Maknae Hyunin Kai. And then of course, scan the QR code to get an emblem or cash on the Weverse shop. So, but that is my unboxing of my 2 albums today. Awesome. I'm supposed to be getting 17 later on. So if I've got time next week, whenever it comes in, I will do an unboxing for that one. Thanks for tuning in.